Hello, everyone. My name is Teacher Elijah. You can call me Teacher E, and welcome to Coding Robots. Welcome to Coding Robots once again. Welcome. And now, since I'm back to my regular size, let's go to our lesson. So our lesson for this video is all about movement. Say that again. It's movement. It's how you move. Movement. All right? So in robotics, or in most of coding, we have a few ways to move. In order to move, we need a sense of direction. It's direction. Okay? D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Direction. And also we have a translation over there. All right. So in order to move, we need to have direction. All right. So we are going to focus on 4 directions. We have up, which we can also call north. So up north. We also have down south. So up north, down south. Also have left, which is west, and right, which is east. So we have up north, down south, left west, and right east. Remember those 4 directions, which we are going to use to have movement. If you could remember from our last video, we have what we call a grid. From our last video, we have our grid. And it looks like this. This one is a 3 by 3 grid. And we have 9 cells in that 3 by 3 grid. If you have done your assignment, you will have a 6 by 6 grid with a column A, B, C, D, E, F, and the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 36 cells altogether. Okay, now let's go to our next one. Also, we are going to have someone to help us in our activity today. Meet my student. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Virtual. You can call me V.
All right, V, help us out. So back to our grid. We are going to put V somewhere in our grid. Let's put him at A1. Do you know where A1 is? Okay, good. We are going to put V in A1. There you go. How are you doing there, V?
I'm doing great.
All right. Now, for this activity, we are going to need V to go to our goal. Our goal or finish line, we are going to put at F6. Do you know where F6 is? Can you point where F6 is at? Okay, F6 is over here, which we have put a green cell in. Okay, so F6 has a green cell. Now, how are we going to get V from A1 to our goal at F6? Well, he is going to move. But how? Just like that? Oh, we got V into F6 then. We have to have what we call steps. S-T-E-P, steps. So what are steps? Steps are the instructions that will tell V where to go. Okay, it's going to tell our student V where to go. So we are going to do something like this. Steps from A1. Since V is at A1, are you V? Okay. Now, what is going to happen is that V from A1 is going to go right. Right. He is moving right from A1 to B1. Okay? From A1 to B1. Let me go a little smaller here. Okay, I'm a lot smaller now. Let's go back to our lesson. So V is going from A1 to the right. To what cell? Cell B1. Remember, we need to go to F6, so this might take a while. So step 2. From B1, he is going to go right. Can you see where is he going next? Okay, he's going to take another right to D1 and another right to E1 and right to F1. Can you see how much we moved from A1 to F1? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps all to the right. So we know what steps he took. Let's go to F6. From F1, he is going to go left, up, right, or down. Correct. He's going to go down to F2. Okay, down to F2. He's going to go down again to F3, and then down to F4, down to F5, and finally, to reach the finish line, he's going to go down to F6. Okay? Now, if we look back, we can trace all our steps from A1 to F6. So we went right, 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 down, 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 and down until we reached F6. I'm gonna go back to my regular size. Okay, normal size. So, what have we learned, guys? What have you learned? Movement in a grid is done with 4 directions. We can go up, down, left, right. Movement in a grid is done with 4 directions. We can go up, down, left, right. In a grid, you can move in 4 directions, okay? Up north, down south, left west, right east. A step is an instruction telling us what to do. So remember, if I told you what step are you going to take, that is an instruction telling you what to do. All right, lastly, can you do this activity? can you guide V around the maze with walls? So you can't go through that white wall. You can't go here from A1, B1, C1. You must go around the wall to get to F6. But I need you to write down the steps and the cells that would take V from A1 to F6. I hope you can do that, because if you could, you're awesome. And I like awesome people. All right, and that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, that you can move in a grid in 4 directions. You got that one thing. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, kiddos. Have a great one. Whoop.